Hello, my friends. This is what I think, and also, this is what I know. Unless we stop this invading horde of animal-like people who are burning down our cities, who are killing our people, who are hurting our police officers, who even beat up a Wisconsin state senator because he was taking pictures. Unless this stops, America will die. This has gone too far. This is not a riot anymore. It's certainly not a protest. Now, this is a revolution. Not a social revolution either, a hot revolution. They are calling for the end of the United States of America. Are we going to let that happen? I think not. I have a great example of what will happen. This evil president of the Black Lives Matter group in New York City said, unless we get what we want, we will burn down the nation. We will burn down the system. He said, you can take that literally or figuratively. It's up to you. He is serious, and they are taking actions to do it already. Are we serious about stopping it? I know we have our Attorney General and even the President giving us the right words. They're giving us the right ideas of what needs to be doing, what they need to be doing, but they're not doing it. It's time to stop it. I think we already realize we can't rely on state governors and certainly not mayors of the big cities that have been taken over by these left-wing mobsters, this evil traitors to the country. These are traitors. These are enemies of the state, and they must be treated as such. Otherwise, the nation is gone. You know, I like Theodore Roosevelt. He said, speak softly, but carry a big stick. He didn't just warn people. He let them know, you cross the line and you're toast. It's time to stop talking and it's time to start doing. We need to pull out the military into the streets, put them there, deploy them, and just make sure that we get rid of these people by whatever means necessary. This is now a war. Those are threatening words, and they're not just threats. They're being carried out by the very people who are threatening them. They are killing our people. They are burning our cities. They are destroying our heritage, and they will destroy the United States of America. They are also the right arm of the Democrat Socialist Party. That's why they don't want to have any legislation passed for police reform, because they know they can use this. They think in the election, they don't care about you. The Democrats don't care about you. These people don't care about you. They care about power, only power. They don't care about us. President Trump, stop talking, start doing. We'll stand behind you. We love you, and we believe in you. But it's time for action and no more words. Rome faced the same thing. Rome was invaded by barbarians who became citizens and who eventually took down the whole empire of Rome because they took root and they allowed it to take root in their country, and Rome was no more. These people call themselves citizens, but being a citizen and calling yourself a citizen is not the same thing. Being a citizen demands duty, responsibility, dedication, and loyalty. These are not loyal. They want to destroy everything we believe in. We've got to stop it. These people are serious as a heart attack to destroy the United States of America. They hate you. They don't care if you're black. They don't care if you're white. They don't care if you're Asian. They don't care where you're from. They only want power. They don't care even about black people. They care about power. Definitely the Democratic Party is the enemy of the state, and the media that supports them and gives them the power and gives them only good press and gives us only bad press is, just as Donald Trump said, the enemy of the people. We need to stand up. This is our country. What will you do? What will you put up with? How much more will you put up with it? I won't. Will you? Let's stand up and let's fight back. God bless America.